KCAL News meteorologist Marina Jurica is back with your next weather forecast. Marina, it finally feels like fall, maybe even winter a little bit.
I know, before we know it, it's going to be Thanksgiving and Christmas, so I like it when it's cooler. It adds that nice little chill to the air. But we are going to be windy this evening, especially for areas of Ventura County, the Ventura County Mountains, heading into the Antelope Valley and pushing through into Santa Clarita Valley and into portions of Los Angeles County. You folks, all there highlighted in yellow, have a wind advisory starting at 3 o'clock today until 3 o'clock tomorrow morning for gusts of up to 45 miles per hour. Once we swap out that wind direction and start getting that offshore flow, we are going to be looking at some much warmer temperatures as we move towards the middle of the week. But we have to get there first. So live view from Blue Ridge Mountain. We've lost a lot of that fresh powder of snow that we saw over the weekend, and the system that's moving in this weekend is a whole lot warmer. So I don't think our mountains will be seeing the snow that they did last weekend, but the rain is much needed no matter how we get it. Temperatures today and this afternoon will be struggling in the 60s. It'll be the coolest day of the week. We'll be cool again tomorrow, but by Wednesday we start to see that change, and once that flip happens, we'll warm up drastically into the 70s and 80s. So it's going to be a big difference. We're doing a bit of a seesaw this week. Next few hours in Orange County, if you're heading out and about here at the lunch hour, we're going to be in the mid 60s, and we should see more sunshine by later on this afternoon with 62 at 4 o'clock. So low pressure is stuck up there because our jet stream is basically cutting it off, and it's tapping into an atmospheric river. So what's happening is that the Pacific Northwest and Northern California are getting a huge amount of rainfall. Once that jet stream chisels down towards the south, it'll allow for that low pressure to move in. Won't be tapping into the atmospheric river anymore that we're seeing very nicely here, elongated in the Pacific, but we'll get the tail end of it. So hopefully we'll pick up on an inch or two, but folks up north are anticipating picking up on anywhere from 10 to 15 inches possible. So that's a whole lot more than us. So we're going to see that low pressure just drive all that moisture into the Bay Area and Northern California for really all the way through Thursday. Before Friday, it starts to inch its way closer to us, and then that allows for us to get a rain chance on our next weather 7-day forecast. We're warming it up into the 70s and 80s for the middle of the week, and then that system rolls in on Saturday and Sunday, Christine.
A little bit of a roller coaster. Thanks, Marina.
Now you can get your KCAL News, weather, and live stream all in one place on the CBS News app. Download it free today.